Hello, this time I will show you how to create a gradient circle logo in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, let's start. First open Adobe Illustrator, then click the File menu, New, and create a new canvas of 1000 pixel square, or free, it's up to you. Select the ellipse tool, then click in the canvas area, and in the pop-up window, make the size 300 pixels, and click OK. Create another circle with a size of 200 pixel. And point to the top end of the large circle, with the smart guides for precision. Duplicate the 200 pixel circle by clicking copy and paste in place, then drag it down until it touches the bottom edge of the big circle. Create another circle with a size of 100 pixels, and place it in the center of all the circles. Select all shapes, then use the Shape Builder tool to remove the border, so that it becomes the desired shape. Now the shape looks good. Remove the border, then give it a base color. In the middle, there are several layers that are still left. Remove one by one, then delete all. To give a modern impression, make a gradient color by selecting one of the shape. Choose a basic gradient color in the color swatches. Give it the color you want by drag and drop from the color swatches onto the gradient slider. To give the same gradient effect to the other shape, select the shape, use the eyedropper tool, then click on the shape that has been given a gradient effect, and, beautiful. Give another color gradation as you want, to make it look different. You can explore any color according to your imagination. Now it looks perfect. Thank you for watching.